Most bikers think they already know everything about riding, about the roads, the machines, and the lifestyle. But the truth is, there are hidden lessons, secrets that only retired bikers whisper about. The kind of wisdom you never hear until it's already too late. And that's exactly why so many riders make the same painful mistakes. Mistakes that cost them money, safety, even their love for riding. You see, these aren't tips you'll find in a manual or in some flashy YouTube tutorial. These are the hard-earned truths that come only after decades of riding, crashing, fixing, and living on two wheels. And once you hear them, you'll realize just how blind most riders really are. So if you've ever felt like something about riding is missing, that there's a deeper side no one talks about, then listen closely. Because today, I'm pulling back the curtain and exposing the 10 motorcycle secrets only retired bikers know. And trust me, once you hear them, you'll wish someone had told you much earlier. Secret 1, your bike doesn't make you a rider, your mind does. Retired bikers know the machine doesn't define you, your mindset does. They've seen riders with flashy Harleys who panic at the first real test. The true rider is the one who anticipates danger, stays calm, and thinks ahead. The bike is only a tool, your awareness is the weapon. Secret 2, speed thrills until it doesn't. At first, speed feels like freedom, wind rushing, heart racing. But veterans know it's the greatest trap. Just a little faster can turn a fun ride into a funeral. Retired bikers have buried friends who chased thrills over control. The truth? Smooth, steady riding beats reckless speed every time. Secret 3, loud pipes don't save lives, awareness does. You've heard the myth. Loud pipes save lives. But cars today are sealed tight, drivers don't hear you. Retired bikers know it's not noise but awareness that saves lives. Seeing danger before it sees you, positioning smartly, and riding defensively, that's what keeps you alive, not exhaust notes. Secret 4, maintenance is cheaper than regret. Ignore the small stuff, and it will punish you. Retired bikers have learned the hard way. A skipped oil change becomes an engine failure. A worn tire becomes a crash. The lesson is simple. Look after your bike now, or pay a much bigger price later. Maintenance is survival. Secret 5, roads change you more than you change them. Young riders think they conquer the road. Retired bikers laugh at that. The road is the teacher, you're the student. Every mile humbles you, teaches patience, and sharpens instincts. The veterans know, it's not about mastering the asphalt, it's about letting the asphalt master you. Secret 6, safety gear is worth more than style. The coolest rider without gear looks good until the first fall. Retired bikers carry scars to prove it. Helmets, gloves, jackets, they're not about fashion, they're about survival. Gear makes the difference between walking away and never walking again. Veterans ride for life, not for looks. Secret 7, riding alone teaches what groups can't. Riding with friends gives you fun, but riding alone gives you truth. Retired bikers say solitude teaches self-trust, sharpens instincts, and forces you to face fear. When it's just you and the road, there's no backup. You learn who you really are as a rider. Secret 8, cars aren't the enemy your assumptions are. Many riders blame cars for everything. Retired bikers don't. They know it's your assumptions that kill. Expecting drivers to see you, expecting them to care, that's the mistake. Veterans ride as if they're invisible, prepared for the worst move every car could make. That's why they live longer. Secret 9, the best rides aren't planned. The best rides aren't the ones mapped out to the mile. Retired bikers say the real magic happens when you don't know where you'll end up. The unplanned detours, the surprise roads, the hidden places, that's where freedom lives. One day, you'll miss the ride. More than the bike, more than the bike, more than the bike. Here's the truth retired bikers hold closest. One day, the bike will be gone. Maybe age, maybe injury, maybe life itself. But what you'll miss isn't the machine, it's the feeling, the road, the freedom, the identity you built on two wheels. That's why they say ride now, before it's gone. And there you have it, 10 motorcycle secrets only retired bikers know. Now let me ask you something. Which one hit you the hardest? Was it the truth about speed? Was it the myth of loud pipes? Or maybe it was that last one that one day, it won't be the bike you miss, but the feeling of freedom itself. Think about it. Every single rider watching this has their own story, their own scars, their own lessons that nobody else would understand. So now it's your turn. Drop your secret in the comments. What's that one lesson you wish someone had told you earlier? Trust me, another rider scrolling through the comments might just read your story and avoid a mistake that could have cost them everything. And hey, don't hold back, because on this channel, we don't just ride bikes, we ride truth.